In this video, I'll detail how to turn on reduce parallax effect on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to enable or turn on reduce parallax effect, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video fun, informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable parallax effect on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the 2-1 to exit the clock face and go to the app library. Then on the app library, click on settings. Then on the settings page, I want to scroll down. Just scroll down until you get to gesture. Click on that. Now once you selected gesture, scroll down as well until you get to reduce motion and click on that. Now to enable parallax effect or turn on parallax effect on your Apple Watch, just enable this. Then if you want to enable parallax effect on messages so that it will play message effect, then turn this on. So once that is done, you can just hit the back button. Then you have successfully enabled or turn on parallax effect on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.